So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can create your own AI telephone system that is able to act as a sales or customer service support to talk to your clients without having any human interaction whatsoever. So I found this great tool called Air.ai that's going to be able to help you build your own AI agent to conduct those calls. So after you go on Air AI, you're going to have to log in, put in your payment details. After you've put in your payment details, you get 5 free calls for the next 24 hours, as you can see right here. So now let's start with building the agent. So let's go on create new agent. Now you can select what sort of agent you want, a sales, customer service, or other use cases. I'm just going to go with this as a sales. So for now, I'm just going to go agency CS. And I'm going to go as a sales agent. So I'm going to go as a standard. Now you can go advanced and play around with the prompts and sort of how you want this AI to respond to your clients. But for now, I'm just going to go with standard. Next, I am going to magically create a script. I'm using AI, but I just want to start from scratch. Now, what I want to do is I want to add a knowledge base. I want to call this knowledge base simple bot FAQ. Yes. And now I'm gonna upload documents. And I am going to upload this FAQ right here. Next. Awesome. So now it's been uploaded. Now, obviously for each of the FAQs, you can have different sort of actions. You can now connect it with Zapier. And for example, if the AI wasn't able to respond to a certain question, you can have Zapier email you that call script so that you can follow up with the customer. You can play around with a lot of different actions through Zapier, but for now, we're just gonna skip over that. So now let's start a new campaign. Let's launch a campaign. Obviously, you need to read through this. I'm not going to do so right now, but I'm going to go agree and set up the campaign. Okay. Now the call source, we're going to call this agency CS. I want this to be an inbound calling system. I don't want to make it an outbound, even though for sales it's generally an outbound calling system, but for now we're just going to do it an inbound calling system. All right. So you connect your agent and then you don't worry about that. The area code, just go maxed daily budget and then save and launch. Okay, perfect. So now let's jump over to the phone and make the call. Okay, so now let's call our AI agent and see what we get.
Hey.
Hi, how's it going?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
Doing pretty well. Look, I have a few questions to ask about your AI services.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to assist you with that. At Simplebot, we offer a wide range of AI services. This includes custom AI solutions like machine learning models, natural language processing, computer vision applications, and predictive analytics. We also provide AI consulting to help you identify where AI could be integrated into your current processes. And of course, we offer maintenance and support for AI systems. Is there anything specific you'd like to know or discuss about our AI services?
Yeah, how do you start a project?
Great question. It all starts with an initial consultation. You can contact us through our website or by phone to schedule that. Then our team will work with you to understand your needs, challenges, and goals. We'll provide a detailed proposal outlining the project's scope, timeline, and cost. Once the proposal is accepted, we kick off the project with a meeting to introduce the project team and finalize details. Does that sound good to you?
That sounds great. Thank you. So as you can see, this was a pretty easy setup. If you guys are looking to integrate something like this within your business, make sure to send me an email and then we can talk into the specifics of that. And if you guys want me to go a lot more detail into how to prompt and to set up your call scripts and make this call a lot more natural and a lot aligned to your business or your goals, make sure to let me know in the comments below and I'll make sure to get you guys that video done.